Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Depending on your location, this is FX Wenger. We are here again to do our normal weekly forecast on Euro USD. Um, okay. As you can see here, we are in daily time frame. If only you watch my previous video, you see that price is still is reacting from the supply zone I pointed out few months ago or last month when price was still around here. So at least price is still reacting from there. So see what I'm expecting here since this, because I say that their price still needs to reach 50% of this supply zone, and also since price have not yet broke the low that created the high that made it to mitigate to reach this supply zone, we are what bullish. We are still what bullish. So what I'm expecting price to do next week is what, let's move to 4 hours. um 4 hours time frame. Okay. 4 hours time frame. We are in 4 hours time frame now. I've already marked out the stores. Yeah, so this is what I'm expecting price to do for now. Next week, because so look at this range. Price is already coming into discount of this range. From this is the low. This is the low that created this high. So price is already coming to the extreme discount of this range. So, and we have multiples of demands, but I don't used to mark. I'm not used to marking out a lot of zones, like a lot of POIs, like marking out multiple POIs in a range. I just wait and see how price reacts from this and that range, then till when it reaches the range that I know is high probable to me. So okay, let's zoom in and see. Okay, so this is where I'm interested in the market. This is where I'm all interested in the market. Just look at this. The how market broke this low, and this was a weak demand zone that I knew that market is going to react from this demand zone. So market reacted from it, then went up to pick it to reach to mitigate supply zone like that, then take out took out this low here. So let's move to 1 minute, then you will see why I'm being interested in selling next week, because I've seen my one of my entry criteria here. So why? Let's move. Okay, I've seen it here already. This is a flip zone, a failed demand zone. Look at it here. This is a failed demand zone. You see, yeah, this is a failed demand zone. Yeah, failed demand zone. So the market reacted off it. Couldn't break this high, because this high was the high that created the low that mitigated it. So market came back to the range, then couldn't break it, and broke the low, then came here to break the higher time frame, came here to break the demand zone. So once, as you can see, once since you notice that the demand zone is already broken. So the range I'm interested in is here. But I have some few stores. I have some of the stores that are now, once I see it in the next week, then I'll start selling from this range. What? Let's show you, because I would love, once price reach the premium of this range, this bearish range now, because price flip zone helped in creation of this lower time frame range now. So once price do this, I would love to see, okay, I would love to see some shift of lower time frame market structure before doing what, before selling. Target is going to be this low, and once price do this, so I'll move to, once I see price break this low, I'll move to higher time frame to do what, to mark out, because I'm interested in this demand. I'll call it a little bit weak demand zone. I'm interested. Let's move to 4 hours. I'm interested in this demand zone. This area. I'm interested in it. I'm interested in it. Then, because I noticed it's mitigated a little bit of this week. This breaker block is a breaker block, so the price came, mitigates it, went up immediately, create left in this week here. So I'm marking out from this thing. So I'm only interested in this zone because I think that once this thing I showed you guys in lower, that might happen in the lower time frame, once the stuff price complete the, once price complete the stuff, then once it's come down here, then price might use this demand zone to do what, to do its thing, do what, come back here. Maybe if we find a good what, a good supply from there, market might use this and break here, but we might see something like this, then do what, this and this and this. So the only demand zone that I'm interested in is this extreme demand zone that is at the extreme of this range. I will mark it up, but 50 I'm going to be, I will be using 50% of the demand zone once price reach here. I don't know if this price might, we will complete this next week, but once price reaches this demand zone, I'm waiting for QML to, I'm waiting for price to do the necessary thing here. You know what the necessary thing is? I will be waiting price to do what, to do this, as simple as that. Then what, then we start going up. So this is what I'm expecting price to do next week, this coming trading week. So as simple as that. I call it, I always say as simple as that because I find it a little bit simple to me, because we react, we don't predict. So once price reacts from, we move, we trade along, we move along with the price. So let's see if market will do, complete our illustration here. So thanks you guys for watching, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe before doing what, turning off your data. So please, thank you guys again, once again, thank you guys for watching. God bless you all. Thank you.